Hey guys, Phil Jew here. I am at a friend's place, Jason here. He's going to be helping me out with fixing my exhaust that is crappy. Here, I'll show you guys. Take a peek at Jason real quick. Down here.
Hey, how's it going, guys? I'm Jason.
You can see that my exhaust or my Y pipe has been scraping because it's either too long or it's just no support. Jason's the real expert here, but
Needs, it's got a little ED going on. We need to stiffen it up a little bit, you know?
yeah, well, she needs a little Viagra. But yeah, he's going to be working on that. He's actually going to cut out those flex pipes and attach some solid piping right here. And we'll be also attaching some support brackets. So while he's doing that, I'm actually going to start working on adding my oil cooler, and hopefully shouldn't be an issue, but we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna set you guys down and get to work. The oil cooler is kind of set up right now. I kind of have the lines where I want it. I have the lines how I want them to be. On the Z, there is normally these two bolts, but on my car, I only have this middle section for the hole. So we're gonna have to put pilot holes in my car. We'll do that later if there's time and if Jason wants to help me. But you can see, can't tell. There we go. I just have this bolt hole right here. I made two more pilot markings, so I'm gonna go drill into that, and then we will mount up that and then get the oil lines routed and then possibly install the sandwich plate today. Jason has cut up my Y pipe and now is setting up with the actual portions he's gonna weld on.
We're laying pipe.
He's laying pipe. Not into me. But that's where we are right now, and we're gonna keep getting at it. Update time. So Jason has got all the pieces cut and prepped. He is under the car right now.
I am under the car.
Nice test fit. Looks like he's making love to my car.
Like I said, we're laying pipe here.
Yeah, she's looking good. Yeah. And then
Oh, thank you.
got you.
Friends are there when you need a hand.
Can this sag or no? Or is it gonna pop off?
It can,
Alright, I'll grab my.
yeah, there we go.
Come prepared, man. Look at that. Perfect. I only brought one, so there's shit out of luck on this side. Get over here. All right, there's the ash shot of the day. But yeah, he's just testing it right now. I'm gonna tack it up.
Things are looking good at the
And
moment.
then we might have to do an obligatory straight pipe test. You know, every Z needs to do that in their life. So we'll be right back.
If I put even more heat into it, I should get even more discoloration.
That looks
We
like
can really get the hot boy effect going.
hot boy Z boy.
Hot boy Z boy. Emphasis on the Z.
Hot Z boy.
Hot boy Z boy. That's the new name for your car. You should have got one of those plates while the guy was there at the auto show.
I did actually, but it was for my Instagram name.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh cool. Yeah, my family got like 4. And I was like, spend the money. I'm like, okay, if you say so. All right. Use my extended giant pliers.
Stuck again.
What's in there?
Another piece of foil.
Yeah, I
Just
back
leave it
it.
there and just thread it.
That's what I was telling him.
Get it stuck in.
It's a straight through muffler, right?
No.
Be a lot cooler if it was.
Shake it out.
Dig time.
The didgeridoo is done. There we go.
Oh no, we got one more.
Yeah, this isn't a part of my exhaust. This is actually just a didgeridoo.
Yeah, we're like recycling, repurposing, reusing. We're very green. That's hot. There we go. Now for my soul.
Make sure it's moist.
Now for my soul. Oh yeah.
Here's the obligatory startup without a muffler.
Yeah, straight pipe.
Rev or no rev?
Give her a little blip. solid.
Stupid loud.
Yeah.
Anyone that drives a straight pipe sees.
Wild, man.
Alright guys, so welding has been done. Jason is down here. Yellow kids. He's just bolting it up.
We are progressively tightening.
And initially we thought we were going to need hangers, but she is solid.
Weight reduction. You don't need hangers there anymore, do you?
And look, if you look from a flat view, she is tucked. It is flat under there.
That is the way we like it.
Rests under here. That's nice.
There's no more.
Actually looks really good.
There's no more nipple.
Yeah. It must have warmed up. Give it a little goose. There's the VQ mark.
Good, I don't hear it.
Could you hear one before?
Yes.
Oh.
It'd be like, I know what that is.